Did you give Austin? Palaya.
Okay.
Well, I mean, not directly, but like.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Poppy. Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Say happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
He's eating cheeseburger already. What about Austin? Did you give Austin?
That's Reggie.
It's 9:07. We have an appointment for Travis school tour at 9:15. But ano lang siya, malapit lang. Kaharap lang ng bahay ni Mommy. It's for his pre-K or VPK. So we're going for a school
something,
tour.
Ma. You read something.
What?
This, Ma.
Huh?
This.
Oh yeah, that book. That's for the other school. This one is for the second school na namin na itour. First is the O2B Bel Air. But medyo malayo siya sa bahay. So we're going to try this one. If free lang. Kasi yung first school is free siya from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. But if you want to extend until afternoon, you need to pay. Kasi you need to pay for the lunch.
Research na muna pala, Mami. Free.
Wala, uy, wala. Nakabutang sila hang nilang website.
Pumunta na ka dito, ha?
Mag-explain man sila. If free lang or dili. Pero basta
Pero
VPK,
kani, gikuan sila.
oh, free. Free siya kani this one. And nag-text ba siya sa po. Nagkuhan siya update. Kung unsa ba daw if mag-proceed me sa next step.
Oo, nakita na ko. Ito, siya. Kaya, layo pa ito, ma.
But layo kay siya sa balay. If naamila Mami, doon lang siya. Kay straight lang, diba? Pero layo man may East Bay. And then dito. Na ako gi-inquire dira sa straight lang ba sa tuwa. Pwede rami magbaktas ni Travis. Pag morning maghatod. Pero wala pa, tawagan pa na ako. Mag-inquire pa ko.
Tawag yun.
Wala din mga school bus lang
Wala.
mga preschool.
Mga kuan naman na, mga
High school?
school. Ay, dili, mga elementary.
Or elementary. Pero, yeah. So that is it. Let's go sa tour, guys. Di naman diri yung preschool.
Mga diri rami.
Ha? Disabled parking man na.
Bango.
Pwede na baktasan. So let's go, guys.
Mommy, what's
Let's
that?
do the tour.
Baba na, kuya.
A burger.
Ambil na.
Just eat it later, baby, okay?
Ihatag na ko, Austin.
No, no.
You still wanna eat this?
Let's go.
Because
Uy, wipe your face. Uy. And then you didn't even.
Magpanta, madali.
Ayaw, gamita yung shirt. Okay, let's go. Are you excited to check another school? Nilat.
here.
Nakapang rubber shoes ako kasi mag-jogging kami after sa Eagle Park. So where's the preschool here? It's ring bell. Are you excited, baby? You like that school? It's just across Mamita School, right? Ooh. Then you can stay. We can let you stay until 2 p.m. Yeah? Yeah. Tawagan na nako or maturo ko dira akong para ihatag yung mga form. So,
Pila pa nimo na niya.
9 to 12 is free. Kung gusto nimo mag-extend until 2 p.m., magpadala ka og lunch niya and then ano lang 16 per day.
$16?
Per day.
Wala
So,
na lang.
bale 80 per week.
Mukha na lang.
Kung i-extend nimo siya until 2 p.m.
2 lang? All 3?
Dili, 2 p.m. lang man tanan.
Kanan?
Maski dito sa Picas, 2 p.m. lang to.
Kanan na lang.
So, yeah. So, extend
Wala
lang
ba
nimo siya.
dito?
Ano mo siya, mula siya private. Private man dito. Ay mga CCTV.
Kung saan man ang sugod klase?
Kunya ilaha sila ang mag-provide sa lunch dito bantog mahal. Diri akay kita man ang magpadala og lunch.
Unya ang kuan
September 1 mag-start.
September 1.
Ay dili September 1 ay.
Ang school niya ba? Karong kuan mga kanang
August.
August.
August 11.
Putlig tiil. Yun to kakuha na.
August 11.
Wala.
Pwede man na to ipakuan. Pwede man na to siya ipakuan sa next week na lang. Ino na to natay kuan. Isirahon ako siya daan. Next week na lang start. A week after sa start this year.
Ikaw na bahala na.
11 tayo mag-start ang school year.
Asa man tama?
Maglabas ata. So, na ako'y form. So, I need to fill this out.
Nice ilang mga
And then,
kuan
ibutang na.
Nice ilang mga kuan mga teacher ana.
Nice man.
Tabog bro.
Tagduha ra pa jud. Tagduha pa jud dito sa Picas tag-isa nya.
Kaya tagduha.
Ang teacher nila duha ka buok.
Duha lang?
Duha nya
Dito
dito,
sa
sa Picas
Picas?
tag-isa lang.
Isa
Pero
lang?
gamay ra. Gamay ra mo kita dito. Sila kay murag kay tama-tama ra man pod mga 10 man siguro or 8. More on dula-dula lang man pod good sila. So kuya, you like that?
Yeah.
Naman sila yung mga kuandad for chill na ay mga for 2 years old,
Mommy,
3
can
years
you
old.
see 2 cars over there? They were grass.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Tabog na.
Yeah. Anak ko na. Namata na siya na. Ikaw to nanawag na sa front lang ang ang inyong house. Yeah, ako to. Ako na siya na. Yeah, there's a lot of mga bata na ang naga-pick up mga grandparents. So, naaman na dire. Murag ibutang nimo ang name sa
Mag-pick up.
mag-pick up
Oh, si
like
Mami,
si
butang
Mami
mo.
o si Daddy.
Mag si Kuy Kuy.
Dili duha lang.
Duha lang.
Duha lang. Magpapa and then duha lang. Ano to? Nanambi diri sa malay ni Mami maglabas sa mi and mag-greet kay Lucky because it's Lucky's birthday. And then after is mag-adto na misa park
Next.
for jogging. Mag-jogging ta. So maglabas ata guys. Mag-ilis pugog sa nina. So, let's go to Tito's birthday. You greet Tito Lucky, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. The baby's crying. The baby's crying.
Hey, bro.
Happy birthday to you. Asa si Christian na to?
Bagurang.
Baby's crying.
Happy birthday to you.
How old are you?
Ilan ako? 40?
Na kami sa Eagle Park. So, nag-take out lang kami ng drinks sa Macdo. And food for the kids. Coffee lang for me. This is my first meal of the day. jogging. Walking lang ako.
Mama.
Diri na po. Beli lang gamitan. Kapuksan lang nila kapag. Cheers, guys.
Ay, i-post na lang.
This is just, dili siya park. More on trail park siya. For biking and running and jogging. Right? Tapos, there's a lake there. Kana is a lake.
We're always going this way, right? We're always going this way.
Yeah, but another path na po. Dito na po ta sa Pikas.
That one's crazy.
Other way.
That one's crazy.
Not crazy. Oh, put down.
Okay.
Hi guys. It's 11:34 a.m. Katatapos lang namin. Walking na jogging. Jogging na walking. Oh, there's a bulldozer. Oh, in a bulldozer.
Mga ganila din.
What are they making, Mom?
Another
Road.
road. Maybe another shortcut. We're going home and then magluto lang si Christian ng pansit para kay Lucky. And then punta kami kina mama. We're going to mommy's house again para maglaba. Let's go guys. Kapoy ka ayo. Kapoy uy. Mo to'y pinakalayo na akong nabaktasan. Ever. Meron silang ampalaya. I need to buy. Mura lang yung ampalaya nila dito. Ampalaya. I will buy too. Then talong. Tapos batong. Batong ba ni? Yeah, batong. Kalabasa. Kalabasa. Para sa balitaw and kutsinta. Meron silang frozen suman. Let's try this. Hello guys, we're back. First, it's 5:52 p.m. We're here. I'm waiting for Christian. He's outside. He's outside. He's inside the house. Nag-change siya ng clothes because we will go to the Cheesecake Factory for dinner, for Lucky's birthday dinner. Here, baby. Pinick up niya lang ako galing sa work. Kasi galing ako sa work and then he picked me up. Tapos dumiretso kami dito para magpalit siya ng damit. Then si Travis nandun sa bahay ni na mami. So siguro pagdating namin doon is alis na kami doon sa punta na kami ng Cheesecake Factory for dinner. So yeah, that's the update. I'll see you guys later for dinner. Let's go! So, dinala niya si Austin pagsundo sa akin. Say hi, baby! Say hi, Austin! Hi! He's eating Skyflakes chocolate. So, that's it, guys. I'll update you later sa pagdating namin sa Cheesecake Factory. Let's go!
Water's boiling, it's time to wake. The morning light begins to break. Take the breeze, a gentle grind. Quiet entry, peace of mind. Brewing my morning slow. Every drop, I let it flow. A little water, a little grace. The day sinking without first taste. The scent of coffee fills the air. Close my eyes without a care. Pour the water, watch it bloom. Dance the flavors in the room. Brewing my
Are you checking? Are you checking?
every drop. I let
Do you want it?
it flow.
Austin wants a Coke?
Well, anyway, nowadays,
Okay.
well, I mean, not directly, but like, there is.
Kung kamay na.
Every cup, there's a story told of quiet moments won. I sip the peace,
What are you? I can see. Mac and cheese.
this bond. Brewing my morning slow. With every drop, I let it flow.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. Gotcha.
A little cheese.
Sure. Your heart.
With that first taste.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Austin. Happy birthday